Hey YouTube, I know you guys said last time that you thought I did not come down to the Attorney General's office, and that's why they didn't respond. So I'm gonna record this interaction so that you guys can all see it, and then comments can flow. So here's what I have brought to the Attorney General right here. Okay. This is the public records request that I sent them over 4 days ago that nobody's bothered to respond. This is the request to open back up the investigation that they did without my knowledge over 2 years ago that I stopped in last week, as I stated, and hundreds of comments. No, you didn't really go there. No, I did. So here it is. Open the investigation again and let's have some answers. Hi.
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Would you like me to call our Director of Constituent Services?
I don't care who you call. Anybody is fine.
No worries. Would you mind just writing down your contact information one more time for me?
I think it's on there.
Oh, is it on there? Perfect.
Should be.
Got it. And it was Mr. Riddle, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
So they remember me. Just nobody's bothered to respond. I don't hold you as responsible, obviously.
Hey, Jen, this is Lauren. Mr. Riddle, Justin Riddle, is here. Would you mind coming and chatting with him? Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. She'll be here in just a second.
Cool. Hi.
I think there she is.
Hi, good
Hi.
morning. You're Mr. Riddle?
I am.
Hi, I'm Jennifer. How are you?
Have you seen either of these documents yet?
I don't know that I have. Let me
So
take
this
a
one
look.
here is the request, but
Okay.
this one is the issue. How long have you been here?
I've been here since 2015.
Perfect. So you would have known about this
Well,
investigation.
that's not necessarily true.
Maybe not. Fair point. Who does know? Because my question is as follows. This is what I asked last week. This is what I've asked through email. I've yet to receive a response, a phone call from anyone saying, yeah, we got it, we're looking at it. So
Well, I can tell you because I did come across your public records request, and I believe it will be responded to very shortly.
well, there's a legal time frame, right? And my question while I'm here is it standard practice since 2015 and you've been here that the community would reach out and claim that there was an egregious violation by a school board body that's a public governmental agency, and the Attorney General would only ask them and their attorneys, but would never reach out to me or my mother?
Well, I can't speak to that.
Okay,
but
who can?
Do you want to come in here?
Sure.
And we'll get out of Lauren's space.
Thank you, Lauren.
Yes. So, what do you mean about looking into? And you're welcome to take a seat if you like.
Either way. So let me explain to you what happened, and then you can probably.
Is this a separate issue than your recent public records request?
No,
Or petition?
it's the reason for it.
Okay, so just because I don't want you to feel like you're wasting your time.
I'm never wasting my time. I've taken the whole week off to sit here all day, every day until I get an answer.
Okay, well, my understanding is that you did submit a public records petition.
Nobody has responded. It's been over 4 days.
Okay, so I do understand that there will be a
And
response
here's the
today.
issue.
So are you wanting to add to your request?
Why are you asking it like that? You asked me you said sit down. I started to talk, and then you said don't waste your time. Are you trying to add something? Would you like me to tell you the issue, or do you not want to know?
Okay.
Because I could talk to somebody else. If there's somebody else, there has to be somebody else.
Okay, Mr. Riddle, my understanding is that there will be a response for.
Okay. And my
If you don't
question
mind,
is,
Mr. Riddle, if you don't mind, I'm just trying to tell you that your request is being reviewed and will be responded to. I understand the response will be today. And so if you've already submitted your issue there.
Do you understand the issue?
Mr. Riddle, if you'll
Who
let
are you talking to like that? You are not my boss. I'm going to sue this place so hard, and I'm going to involve every one of you, and I'm giving you an opportunity to at least be forthright about the simple fact that the public said there was an issue. You guys investigated it. You chose not to talk to me, the victim. You didn't let me know. You cannot find it on your website. I found it very much on accident because the actual decision is hidden. And incredibly, Omaha. What do you mean?
Yeah, so I'm.
Decision about what?
Mr. Riddle, I'm.
So in any case, Omaha Public Schools did not bother when I sued them to say, hey, we've got this great ruling from the Attorney General about this very situation, which any normal person would see as a silver bullet.
What ruling?
From the Attorney General, again, that's the same thing we've been talking about. There's one thing we've been talking about the whole time.
Okay, Mr. Riddle.
One thing. So in any case, Omaha Public Schools chose not to say, hey, we've got an actual decision from the Attorney General saying we did nothing wrong. Now, why didn't they do that? Because I was never...
Was it an open meetings issue?
Excuse me?
You keep talking about an investigation. I'm seeing here, the file number is M, so I'm assuming that you're talking about an open meetings complaint.
Well, I said it was from a school board meeting. Sure, yeah, yep. So an open meeting, yep, simple.
You filed just, I want to make sure I'm understanding where you're coming from.
I mean, I'm clear when I speak, but sure.
Okay, so it looks like what you have here today is a reference to an open meetings complaint disposition letter that was issued in 2021.
2022 is when it was issued.
Okay, well, it has 21 in it.
That's when the meeting was, yep.
Okay.
And then if you look just past that, you'll see 2022. It's just right there after it.
Okay.
Yep.
So your initial issue you're discussing, I understand your issue has progressed, but
Well, my issue has progressed now because, gosh, what turned into what could have been an oversight or just a mistake or just even ignorance is now clear that you guys worked in coordination with OPS, which I already knew, but you could have at least pretended that wasn't the case by saying, gosh, we didn't realize that we were literally so in violation of due process by looking into a situation, only taking the defendant's side, and then publishing a defamatory ruling that says that I've done something wrong.
I have not read this disposition letter. It is likely on our website.
It's on your website, but you can't find it. I found it on accident through.
What do you mean you couldn't find it?
Show me how to find it on your website, and that'll answer your question. Show me where I do a search and find that document on your website.
So on our website,
No, show me, because it doesn't exist. I've looked, I'm smart.
Mr. Riddle, if you want me to go to my office, I can pull it off the website and give you the.
I'd like to see you search the website and find it, not pull it from some. I found it on a accident because it was 28 pages down in a Google search, but it just happened to have all the keywords, and it took a straight direct link. You cannot get to it from your website.
Okay,
Show me
so
that I'm wrong.
Let me just tell you how we publish them.
Mm.
So they're issued by year. So we have disposition letters all in one place by year. They include both public records request disposition letters and open meeting
Show me where I can find it.
disposition letters. Well, this has,
Show me how I can find it.
This has 21 dash in it, so you'll want to go to the 2021.
Show me where I can find that. It doesn't exist. I searched by name. I searched by name. I don't need to search by that. I searched by name. I searched by my name, OPS's name. Like, here's the thing. All your guys' regular tactics of obfuscation and trying to speak down to me, all of that has gone out the door. I've been polite for years, and you know what happens? The Attorney General does an investigation without even talking to the alleged victims.
Okay, how our process works in general is that people what we do is we take the complaint and we will say to the public body, hey, we got this complaint, what's your response?
Mm-hmm.
And then the mayor, they typically respond, and then we will issue a disposition
So
letter.
you don't verify the statements because what you've put into your decision, 3 lies, 3 that I can prove that are lies, fact, and they aren't even subjective or questionable or anything. They're just flat lies.
You're saying that about me or the letter?
The letter. Why would I say that about you? Were you the one that signed it? You said you haven't even read it.
No, I'm just.
So I wouldn't accuse you directly. When I say you, I'm talking about the Attorney General's office, right? You guys, as a office, put 3 lies. Now, when you consider, I wasn't asked, I wasn't told there was a decision, OPS didn't use it to say, hey, we've done nothing wrong, look, because they knew then I'd find out about it, because I just found it, right? So when you take all those things, and then you consider there's 3 lies in there, why is it that nobody ever asked for my side? Well, because you had to lie in order to support their side. Now, you might not see that as a big deal because you guys lie all the time. And I've got it all documented just in my cases alone, which are enough that if you look at my 8th Circuit appeal, I don't know what you guys will think. You probably think, hey, this is going to go bye-bye. We'll get it hidden. Good luck. It won't. I've got thousands of followers on my YouTube video that are waiting to see, because they insist I could not have come here last week with this information and this office be so egregious that they would just not even follow up. Now, you're not following up. I'm following up. I'm sitting here in Lincoln. I had to drive to Lincoln to come talk to you guys because nobody has followed up. If miraculously you guys respond today, thank you. Thank you for doing it after I showed up. Thank you for nobody calling to get my side of the story. Thank you guys for not understanding that if you don't talk to the victim, because it was multiple community members, not me, that submitted it. And it says that in your letter. So now you're saying, well, you submitted something, and we took what you submitted, and then we took what they submitted. Nope. Multiple members of the community, as it's pointed out in your letter.
Mr. Riddle, let me make clear. I can't speak to your specific complaint back from 2021 or
You
2020.
let me make clear, I'm not asking about that. I'm asking, do you typically follow the law? Do you typically follow the rules that say subpoena person, subpoena person, subpoena person? Due process says that if you're going to publish something publicly about me, I get a right to defend myself against those allegations. Do we disagree on that? Are you not an attorney? Is that the thing? That's what I always hear. I'm not an attorney. I'm just this.
Mr.
Are you an attorney?
I'm not.
Oh, fair enough. So you don't understand due process.
Mr.
You don't understand defamation and the fact that I was given an opportunity to defend my side, or the fact that you guys published 3 lies in that defamatory statement. Who can I speak to that actually knows something? Can I speak to somebody that knows something? I mean, I'll go get a drink of water. See if you can find me somebody that actually knows something. Yes, I am recording it. I said that. YouTube is going to see this today. Oh, look at that. Yeah, cops here already, see? Nobody likes being questioned about anything, so they call the cops. I'm getting a drink, and we'll see if they've got somebody good for me to talk to. And as always, this place, who fucking knows where the drinking fountain is. To walk all the way around the whole building. Good, how you doing? So do we have anybody that knows anything?
Well, Mr. Riddle, I'm checking right now while you walked out to see if our response letter to your public records request has been sent. So I can confirm.
Oh, I'll be able to tell you. Here, I'm gonna